Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Monster Wilds error crashing on the compiling shader screen, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar in the bottom left and go ahead and just type in Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, you can make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver. From here you can go ahead and select the first option, and that is what I recommend, search automatically for drivers. But anyways, once that's done updating, you can go ahead and start up Monster Hunter Wilds, and it should fix the issue. You can also update it through the GeForce Experience directly if you have NVIDIA, and if you have AMD, there should be a similar AMD app. But other than that, you can also just go over to Google and just type in latest AMD drivers, then install it, and from the official website, yeah, and that should help as well. But anyways, go over to drivers, and then if you have it download, it should say GeForce Game Ready driver download. But if you don't, you can hit check for updates just to make sure. But other than that, that's basically it. Once you download it, you guys are good to go, and that is it. So once you guys restart your PC and the drivers are updated and you start up the game, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.